Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this section we will discuss the underscore underscore name underscore underscore and underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Okay. So Python interpreter read the source file and define the few special variable or the global variable. If the Python interpreter is running that the modules as the main program, so it set the special variable that is underscore underscore name underscore underscore to have a value underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Okay, so if this file is being imported from the another module, then underscore underscore name underscore underscore will be set to the module's name. Okay, so let's see the one example. Here we create the two files. Okay, so this is my Python IDE. Okay, so file, new file. Okay, so this is your file. Save this file on desktop. So save as, select the location desktop. Okay, and my file name is that one and extension is that the py. Okay, save this file on desktop. See here in desktop one file is created. Okay, then create the another one, file, new file. Okay, again save this file, file, save as, select location desktop. My second file is that 2.py. okay, so this is your second file. Okay, then in this 1.py here print hello. Okay, then here we define the one function. See, the indentation level is the 0, means that there is a no indentation. Okay, so unlike other languages, in Python there is no main function that you call the somewhere at the top of your code that's run the automatically. So in Python there is actually a built-in variable called the underscore underscore name underscore underscore. So this variable name get assigned a string depending on how you are running the actual script and if you run the script directly. Okay, so see here def, my function name is that the func. Okay, then this is your indentation level, print. So here function call in 1.py. okay, so this is your print statement, and after function there is a one more print statement. Okay, so this print statement is set to the indentation level 0, means this is outside the func function. Okay, so this is the top level in 1.py. okay, so this is your function. Save this code. So first we test this 1.py code. Okay, so this is your command prompt. Okay, set this command prompt on desktop path. Okay, so compile this code 1.py. See here your output hello and top level in 1.py. okay, so hello is the indentation level 0 and print statement this is the top level in 1.py. Here function code not executed because we have not called the func function. Okay, so that's why my output is that the hello and the top level in 1.py. okay, so in this code add the one more if condition. So my if condition is that underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to main. Okay, double underscore main. Okay, if it is, then print 1.py is being run directly. Okay, otherwise print 1.py has been imported. Okay, so see again call this code. So see, top level in 1.py and 1.py is being run directly. Okay, so in this code, by default, this variable have the value underscore underscore main underscore underscore value. Okay, so here we cannot import the one file, or we cannot call other library function or outside file function. That's why here by default underscore underscore name underscore underscore equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore value. Okay, so output is that 1.py is being run directly. Okay, now I can import this file into another file. See here, this is my second file 2.py. Okay, so here we import the one. So this is my 1.py program. Then print, there is a one print statement. This is the top level in 2.py. Okay, then here we call 1.func function. Okay, then again check here if name is equal to main. Okay, if it is, then print here 2.py is being run directly. Okay, otherwise else print 2.py has been imported. Okay, so save this code. See here, this is my command prompt. Again we test the second file. So this is your second file, this is your first file. Okay, then see here what is my output. Here we clear CLS, clear this window. Okay, so Python, we run the second file 2.py. See here, first one is that the hello. So there is an error, one is not defined. So first find that error here, O is capital. Again save this code here, clear this command prompt, again run. Okay, see first hello, here we import 1.py file. So that's why my output is that the hello. Okay, then top level in 1.py, because here when you import the 1.py file, then all indentation level 0 statement is executed. Okay, so see here first hello output, then top level in 1.py, this is your indentation 0. Then see here if else. Okay, 1.py has been imported. Okay, so see here this program, when you imported into the another program, then underscore underscore name underscore underscore is not set to the underscore underscore main. Okay, so here else part is executed, 1.py has been imported. Okay, then going to second file top level in 2.py. So this is top level in 2.py. Here call the 1.py function. So here function code is executed, func call in 1.py. Okay, then here 2.py being run directly because this file is not imported to another one. Okay, so in 2.py this is this variable set the underscore underscore main, and here we run the second file. Okay, and in second file the first file here imported, that's why in first file underscore underscore name underscore underscore is not set to this main variable. Okay, so this is the simple use, don't confuse about that. Okay, so here we finish this concept. So students, if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. So like and subscribe the channels. See you on next video. Thank you.